Welcome to our washing machine showdown. Today, we're comparing two compact washing machines, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Elevon Portable Washing Machine. Both are designed for small spaces, making them ideal for apartments, dorms, and RVs. Let's dive into their features and see which one suits your laundry needs better. When it comes to capacity, the Super Deal model offers a washing capacity of 8 pounds and a spinning capacity of 5 pounds. In contrast, the Elevon model boasts a much larger capacity of 18 pounds for washing and 10 pounds for spinning. This means the Elevon can handle bigger loads, making it a better choice for larger families or those who do laundry less frequently. The Super Deal washing machine is straightforward with its basic operation, while the Elevon model includes a drain pump for easier water removal and a clear window for monitoring your laundry. These additional features can greatly enhance the user experience, especially for those who value convenience. In terms of pricing, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub is priced at $113, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a simple washing solution. On the other hand, the Elevon portable washing machine is priced at $177, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. Depending on your budget and laundry needs, this could be a significant factor in your decision. To wrap up, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub is a great budget-friendly option for basic washing needs in tight spaces, while the Elevon portable washing machine offers a larger capacity and additional features for those willing to invest more. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.